Oh hey, didn't see you there. So today we have 15 items that we 3D printed and designed that we thought that we needed around our house. So if you want to watch this montage, come check this out with us. This gate was about $200. Got to work on our design software and created a new one. You always need lots of holders. Market board holder, glasses holder. From hanging up your headset to holding your controllers, 3D printing always has you covered. Cup coasters to bases to hold those coasters, or you just need simple storage for your glue sticks. We found 3D printing to be of huge use for us around the house. This one keeps all the hot sauces from going all over the place. And if you have any other utensils or knickknacks, you can smile knowing that there's gonna be a storage place just for them. A pen holder with endearments from my partner, or baskets for an aquarium. With these, I hold all the plants that are overabundant and that I wanna give away. The scoop didn't have anything to hang itself on except for this little hole, and so we ended up making a hook so that we can hang this. My old intake broke, so these bubble filters I turned into an intake, but I needed a coupler, so I 3D printed a TPU coupler for this. Here's some handholds that we're going to use in a couple videos from here. Even have some resistors for it, TPU. So, if you like this video and you want to check out more later on, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out. And hey, we'll catch you next time. Peace.